Good morning, students. I am Dr. Chavi Saxena from Arya College of Engineering and IT, Jaipur. Today we are discussing on the basic components of the computer system. Von Neumann architecture, also known as Princeton architecture, was designed in 1945. This architecture shows us the basic components of the computer system, how the computer system is designed. It is based on a stored program concept, means instructions and data resides in the same memory. Here is a block diagram. It has four basic components: input output devices, central processing unit and memory unit, which we will discuss in our coming slides. Now, components of computer architecture. First is central processing unit, CPU. It is responsible for executing instructions. CPU contains arithmetic, logic unit and control units. Registers are the high speed storage area for CPU. Then ALU is the part of the CPU that do all arithmetic and logical operations like plus, minus, and, or, not, etc. Control unit, as its name suggests, it is a controlling power of a computer system. It controls the operations of ALU and input output devices. Now, the memory unit, it is the storage area where data and instructions are stored. Memory we will discuss in our next lecture in detail. Input devices. Input devices takes the data from outside world for the computer system. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, barcode reader and graphics tablet. Output devices, as its name suggests, outputs. It is used to send data out of the system to the external world in the form of a soft copy or in a form of a hard copy. Some of the output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Here we have to discuss about the device controller. What is device controller? All the activities of input output devices are controlled by device controller and it resides inside the computer system. Here in this Venn diagram, some input and some output devices are shown, but some devices like camera, touch screen, pen drive, CD DVD players are worked as both input and output device. Now, what are programming languages? In this diagram, computer languages are divided into three parts: low level language, middle level language and high level language. Low level language is machine language or assembly language, whereas the middle level language is our C language, and the high level languages are the COBOL, Fortran, Pascal. Sometimes C is also included in high level language and C sharp, etc. Here, high level language only humans can understand because it is written in simple English language. Computer can't understand it. Whereas in the low level language, only machine can understand because it is in the binary form. Interpreter is a tool that translates high level language into low level language. Now, the translators. Here, the translators are the programs that converts a computer program from one language to another. It takes a program written in source code and converts it into machine code. There are three types of translators: assembler, compiler, and interpreters. Now we discuss interpreter versus compiler. Compiler takes the source code, converts into machine code, and then we get the output. But whereas the interpreter takes the source code and provides the output. This is the basic difference. Here the basic difference between the two in points are: compiler takes the whole program to convert to machine code, whereas interpreter takes statement one by one. Compiler usually generates an intermediate code in the form of .obj extension, whereas the interpreter does not create an intermediate code. Compiler is used for C++ and Java, whereas interpreter is used for basics, Python, PHP, etc. Compiler has a faster execution as compared to interpreter, whereas interpreter has a slower executions. In compiler, errors are displayed after the entire program is read by the compiler. That means detected errors are at the end of the program, whereas in interpreter the errors are detected one by one. Here one more converter is there, assembler, that converts a language, assembly language program to machine language. Interpreter is used for high level language and it converts the program into lower level language or assembly language or in binary language. Compiler takes the high level language programs and converts to lower level language, whereas the assembler takes the computer instructions and convert it into binary 0 and 1s. These are the basic difference between compiler, interpreter and assembler. Thank you.